In the ninth step, I etch the plate a second time for the aqua tint. I protect the back with plastic shipping tape, suspend the plate in the etching tray, immerse it in ferric chloride for about 20 minutes, then I pour off the ferric chloride, rinse the plate in plenty of water, and then with a photographer's loupe and a raking light, I can see the texture left by the dots of rosin. I clean the plate with lacquer thinner under lots of ventilation for safety, and remove all the laser toner and stop outs, and I buff the plate on a buffing wheel. Now I can mark it, ready for cutting it apart to make the badges.